English 2. Remember to take your attendance. Always take your attendance. And again, today there will be no Zoom today. No Zoom today. Again, no Zoom. And if you have questions, please message me. Okay. So today's work, you need to finish yesterday's work. I'm giving you an extra day, extra time. You're supposed to do the annotation here and then read, listen to Harrison Bergeron. Okay. You can do both, but the key thing is that you have to annotate it in your notebook, take a picture, or use Google Docs. Okay, and what I mean by annotating it, okay, it should look like this. Okay, this student used a line to show details. They used a circle for words, a star that meant important, and then a question mark for things they didn't understand. So here's how it looks. Okay, this is the reading. Okay, so you might be wondering, how do I make marks on the story? So what you have to do is download it. It's gonna download. You're gonna open it up, and you're gonna download it again, but to your computer, and save it. Okay, so make sure it's on desktop. Give it a different name so you can find it. You can always just put the file name and add your last name to it. Save it. You're gonna open that up from the desktop, and this is how you're gonna mark it. Okay, different computers are gonna have different symbols, but you have to look for the pen, and then you're going to underline. Maybe you're gonna draw a star. Okay, and then to erase, make it look neater. So again, maybe you're gonna do star, you can do a line, maybe a question mark, and then maybe a squiggly line. Okay, so you got to use these symbols when you're annotating the text. You're gonna save it. Okay, go back to your screen here, and again you're gonna use your Google Docs. This is how mine looks like. Again, you're gonna log in with your school email, and you're gonna click new or blank, and then let's do that again. Let's go back. There's a button that says upload. Where is it? Usually it's a plus sign. Okay, let's do this. Plus sign. I'm gonna open. You're gonna look for what you saved earlier on your desktop. You're gonna upload it. Select from your device. Remember, it's Harrison Bergeron. I put my last name. That's how you do it. So you can find it easily. And again, it's on my desktop. Go to desktop. Okay, you see it. Click it, and it's gonna upload it. And then from there, you're going to share it. Okay, see the marks, it shows up. That's your annotation. Okay, you need to do that so I can see your annotation for the story. Again, you can read, listen to it, but I need to see your annotation. Okay, if you need help, just email me and I will help you out. So you're gonna share it. You're gonna use your school email. Okay, and then just click done. You type in my email, which is this. Okay, and that is it for today. Okay, and remember that you're reading every day at least 10 minutes, and make sure you send that chart to me tomorrow. Every week you need to have a chart that shows what you've been reading every day for 10 minutes. Okay, have a good day.